right, I think I'm ready. I'm ready to go in to the fridge for the cleaning. I brought the industrial strength bleach and I'm ready to go. Wish me luck as I'm going in. Oh God. Don't know what this stuff is that's growing in here, but we will tackle it with everything I got. Yuck it is. Ew. 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 Every time I remove something, underneath it is just another mess. What is happening? What is going on in here? I don't know what's going on in here, but I'm gonna make it clean. Spraying it with the Lysol first. Spraying it with the Lysol first, then going in with the industrial strength bleach. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Oh yeah, look at that, baby. Look at that. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at these things. They look brand new. Wee-hoo.